Welcome back, and this is the first drop of summer spring 2018. I don't know if I said it wrong. I think it's spring summer or summer spring. Which comes first?
I'm retarded. I'm sorry. My bad comes. Everything I'm retarded.
So yeah, so I was going for the shoulder bag in tan, and I was going for the FTW black shirt in large, and the necklace tee in black, which is medium or large, whichever. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do a voiceover like right now, or a live cop like my live reaction without a face cam though, because you already know once we hit 1,000 subs, you face cam reveal. So subscribe. Yeah, so at this point I was worried because it kept saying process payment and didn't let me process. Let me know if Supreme did it to you, because it kept sending me back and forth to the front page. I don't know why, it just kept doing that. So after a good minute, like, it kept sending me back to the same page, like the front page, and it kept saying, oh, we have not released it yet, please wait, and all that. Cause like I go to the shop, it says please wait, like all that shit. Like, bro, it's 11 o'clock, just drop it. And then it kept doing that same thing over and over again. It was until 11:06 that this started happening. Like at 11:06 it stopped. Like you could actually buy stuff at 11:06, but like for a good 6 minutes they kept doing that. And if you're saying forcecop is trash, it's not that. It's just that it's the first week. They don't know what to do, because Supreme could like pull something up their ass. You never know. Yeah, so I cut this part, like some parts out, because it was like 6 minutes of me going back and forth to the same page. So when I finally got through, I got card declined, and I didn't know why I got card declined. And then I asked my friend, he was like, oh, it was probably you did it too fast, because someone actually hit me up on Snapchat. If you don't have any Snapchat, add me right there. That is me. You add that snap code, and someone actually did hit me up on Snapchat, and they were like, oh, it was 10 seconds or more that you have to put it for checkout delay. But I didn't believe him, because I thought he was just trolling me. Yeah, so at that point I didn't know what was going on. I just thought that like the bot wasn't working. So I keep processing it, keeps declining me. It doesn't even say decline, it just says violation of our terms. I was able to cop everything, but in a different color. So the T, the FTW T, I got it in white instead of black. The necklace, I actually got it. I actually got the black one. And then the shoulder bag, instead of tan, I got black. So I'm hoping for that to come. And then, yeah, I'll probably put it up on StockX. So make sure to subscribe if you are new. You already know, join the resale army or resale gang. I don't know what the hell to call you guys. What do you guys want me to call you? Let me know down in the descriptions. And make sure to subscribe if you're new. Like the video, share with your grandma, your parents.